I've been meaning to build a front emission inspired mech for quite a while now. I've used the same base frame and modified the legs. Although it is compact, it can still be piloted, same with the others. This one will come with 2 weapons and with mountable options here. With retractable wheels and a railgun. It is bulky, but still posable. Getting the proportions right was a bit of a challenge, but they fit right in. I've used a lot of custom pieces which will come in a kit, coming soon. Keep on building.